Alright, well, good morning, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Broken Enduro. We're out here on a ride-along. Small group. We got 11 guys. 2 from law enforcement that came out for the ride-along. We had 2 or 3 more that ended up canceling last minute, so it is what it is. I've got my youngest son out here with me on his Suron. He's gonna run this single track with us, and then I'm gonna run him out to the highway so that my wife can pick him up and take him home, because he doesn't have the range to do the whole thing. So at least gets him out on a putt with the group ride. So no real set in stone plan. Make our way up to Big Bear. Goof around. Yeah, you're. Do you feel like I'm pressuring you? A little bit. Yeah, you're fine. Don't ride for these guys. Yeah. I can't hear you. But I'm not going that fast anyway. Yeah, you're not. Don't feel rushed by them. They're fine.
All right.
Okay. Like if you feel like they're like breathing down your neck, just tell them to go like this.
Oh, cool. All right.
Give you a little gap.
Yep.
Alright, so I just dropped my kid off with my wife. He got to run the super secret single track. Now I'm jamming back to meet up with the rest of the guys. They're gonna wait for me at Bear Creek. Have a break over there, so hopefully I also get a little bit of a break. If not, we'll push up into Big Bear, have lunch up there. Was there about 10 idiots that went down this way? Yeah. Cool. Perfect. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. This is freaking cool. How's it going? I got 9 more guys behind us. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop here and slow everybody down. You can go, just I wanted you to slow down. Not bad today. Dude, that would kill somebody right now. Yeah. Are you it? Oh my God, that T7 makes a lot of dust. No. Is he hung up right there?
Yeah, he's clearing it out.
Oh, okay. Okay, you're up. You could just let it roll down nice and slow. You can use the clutch.
Fucking endo. No, you won't.
Use the clutch as a brake. Just let the clutch out.
Yeah, we got you. I don't dig this, dude.
You got it. Come on, you're covered. We got you.
Yeah, they'll support the front end. Now turn to the right. Oh!
You're good.
That'll be the hardest part of this whole thing.
This is.
Dude, this is all dugout right here. Yeah, that's never been like that. Over it. Go on the far right.
What, endo, if I just let it roll?
Just let it roll. That's what I did. Just cut it to the right and just let it roll. Just get back as soon as you can. There you go. Perfect. You're the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and no dabs. Woo. Whew. I bet you that step is all dug out because the Big Bear Trail Riders ran the hard guys down this.
Huh?
I bet you that step is like that because the Big Bear Trail Riders run the hard guys down this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's why it would be all chewed up on the backside of it. It's very soft on that side. I started to on the squeeze,
couple of those are gnarly now.
Dude, yeah. The first rock squeeze, my front end just got sucked off the hill. Taking the scenic route?
That'd have been fun.
Would this have been the road that when Larry got us stuck up here, Rory, myself, and
In ice, yeah.
yeah,
This is it.
or maybe you guys followed?
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. So it doesn't matter if it's summertime or wintertime, it's slippery as shit.
yeah.
Yeah. The traction is probably better when there's ice on it.
Yes.
We'll tell everybody we come across that it's closed not to come down here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, give you your privacy.
Yeah, perfect. Check's in the mail.
Yeah, sounds good. All right, see ya. This road's so slippery.
We're good. Okay. Just gonna be pissing blood later.
Oh.
He had a trophy-worthy crash.
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm good. This back tire came off of like an edge and washed out, and I fucking hit every rock in the road.
Oh
On
God.
the one spot of this fire road with rocks to hit though. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no rocks on this fire road.
And the one rock that was like embedded and sticking out just decided to fucking, yeah.
He broke the bike's fall with his body. That's
Yeah.
all that
I was like,
Well, this is bringing our first ever ride along to an end. Had a really good day. Wish we had more law enforcement officers out here with us, but that will grow as we keep doing this. I think the guys that did participate had a really good time. So that encourages us to keep doing it. So we'll go and wrap this one, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Ah! Come on, get it together. All right, later! Woo! That was deep! Yeah, over there is better. This was deep right here, dude.